Freelancing has become a popular career choice for many people around the world. The freedom and flexibility that comes with being a freelancer are just a few of the many reasons why more and more individuals are choosing this path. If you're interested in freelancing, here's everything you need to know. What is freelancing? Freelancing is the act of working as an independent contractor for a variety of clients. As a freelancer, you are self-employed and work on a project-by-project basis for clients who need your services. Freelancers are typically hired for their specialized skills in areas such as writing, design, programming, or marketing. Advantages of freelancing. One of the biggest advantages of freelancing is the freedom and flexibility it offers. As a freelancer, you have control over your own schedule and can choose when and where you work. This means you can work from home, a coffee shop, or even while traveling. Additionally, freelancers have the ability to choose the clients and projects they work on, which allows for greater creative control and job satisfaction. Challenges of freelancing. While freelancing has many advantages, it also has its challenges. One of the biggest challenges is the lack of job security. Freelancers must constantly find new clients and projects to work on, which can be difficult and time-consuming. Additionally, freelancers are responsible for their own taxes, insurance, and other benefits that are typically provided by an employer. How to become a freelancer? To become a successful freelancer, you must first identify your skills and expertise. Once you know what services you can offer, you can start marketing yourself to potential clients. There are many freelance websites and job boards where you can find work, including Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. You can also reach out to potential clients directly through email or social media. Tips for freelancing success. To be successful as a freelancer, it's important to have a strong work ethic and good time management skills. You must be able to manage your own schedule and meet deadlines, even when you don't have a boss looking over your shoulder. Additionally, it's important to constantly improve your skills and stay up to date with industry trends. Networking with other freelancers and attending industry events can also help you build relationships and find new clients. Types of freelance work. There are many different types of freelance work, including writing, graphic design, web development, photography, social media management, and more. The key is to identify your skills and find the right niche for your expertise. Some freelancers specialize in one area, while others offer a range of services. Setting your rates. One of the most challenging aspects of freelancing is setting your rates. It's important to charge what you're worth, but you also need to be competitive in the marketplace. You can research industry standards and rates on websites like Glassdoor and Payscale. It's also important to consider your experience, skills, and the scope of the project when setting your rates. Building your brand. As a freelancer, your brand is everything. You need to establish a professional online presence that showcases your skills and expertise. This includes a website, social media profiles, and a portfolio of your work. You should also consider creating business cards and other promotional materials to help market yourself. Managing your finances. As a freelancer, you are responsible for managing your own finances. This includes keeping track of your income and expenses, invoicing clients, and paying taxes. You can use accounting software like QuickBooks or FreshBooks to help manage your finances. It's also a good idea to set aside a portion of your income for taxes and to create an emergency fund for unexpected exp.